Hey! So today I just brought a new bag, one of my dream backpacks. The date is the date 21 na? It's July 21 and kuan I am 25 years old, going 26 this December. So the reason why I am saying these numbers kay this backpack, I'm planning to keep it for the next 5 to 10 years. Okay, I want this to be my travel backpack slash travel bag. So if ever mo travel ko abroad or anywhere, even if kanang dili lang within Cebu, I'm planning to use this backpack sa overnight trips. So, I'm taking this video kay I'm actually gonna baptize this backpack. I'm gonna show you this. This is my kanang bag tag back when I was high school. So mga kuan na ni siya, legit 10 to 11 years ago. Back when I was in China, required me sa school na mo-attach og ribbon sa mong bag kay para dili daw mawala sa check-in. And so it has my Chinese name, Gang Tiani. Yeah, English name of course, Peter. Yeah, nasa gamay na Red Bull thingy-majig. Actually, daghan ni siya, dere carabiner man siya. Daghan ni siya og keychains, and then putol ang uban. So kanila sa so the bag. Ta-da! This is it. Ato pa daw lang. This is my Deuter bag. Deuter? Basta Germanish brand. So this bag, it's a 36-liter backpack. Currently, what siya isud, so nipis kay siya, squished, but then it could expand like very big. And sa future, I'll be making another video kanang napuno ni. So today's agenda, I will be attaching my name to this bag. Mura siya gibunyagin. So I will be attaching it here, I think. Yay! Ta-da! So it's officially my bag. Yeah, I think we'll blend. Yeah, sakto lang. Unintrusive, na siya sa kilid. Tarayin. Mura to.